Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah. Today's anchor. Yeah. This is all. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Now we are going to the next factory, Shenzhen Jin Hui Technology. How may I have your name?
Hello, this is Shirley from Shenzhen Jin Hui Technology Company Limited.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sorry, and then thank you for your joy this exhibition. And maybe you can take some. Yeah,
let me introduce our factory and our power supply. For this is RP67 waterproof power supply, and this is slim and ultra power supply, slim and ultra power supply series, and this is adapter, like this adapter. Our wholesale product is this. It's blue power supply. Also, this blue part can be orange or other colors. It depends on client's requirement. Okay. Also, it's slim and small, so it's good for furniture. And the fireproof. The case is fireproof.
Oh, it's fireproof.
Yes.
Oh, great.
So it's good for furniture. Better than case.
Yeah, furniture.
Yes.
Do you mean in the furniture line or something like this?
Yes.
Oh, great. Yeah, this LED driver is for can be can be for the fireproof.
Yes. And this one is metal case power supply. If fan is quiet. Let me introduce our waterproof power supply. This is waterproof power supply.
Yeah, waterproof.
Yes.
It can waterproof here. And IP68.
Yes. IP67.
67. Okay.
It can use in very harsh environment. For example, harsh, high temperature, high salt, and high vibration.
High vibration.
Yes.
This is the new product. This is your new product.
Yes.
Oh,
This is a new series.
a new series.
Yes. It's slim.
Very slim here. You can see. Yeah.
Yes.
How many watts is this one?
It's 200 watts.
Oh, very powerful.
Yes.
Already very small and then very powerful.
Yes. For these ones, from 50 watts to 100 watts, is the same case. Same case from 50 watts to 100 watts.
Wide range.
Yes. So the max power is 100 watts. Yeah.
And how many certificates do you have?
Certificate.
Yeah.
We have CE certificate.
CE certificate.
Yes, our product can pass CECB certificate, and we have 2 warranty.
2 warranty.
2 years warranty.
2 years warranty.
Or
Yeah.
5 years warranty. It depends on
different.
Yes,
can
yes.
be 2 years or can be 5 years warranty.
Yes.
Yeah, it's great.
2 years or 5 years. It depends on client's requirement.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. How
And-
about
Any question?
Yeah. How about if some customer leave some samples? Is it okay?
Okay. Our clients are all around the world. Most of them in Europe or South America.
Europe and South America.
Yes.
Yeah, great.
Any questions?
Yeah, may I have your name, Karen?
Okay.
And then then take a photo here, and then if any customer want the samples, you can send email to Shirley, and then Shirley will reply you all the detailed informations about their products.
It's glad to receive your quotation.
Yeah, Shirley is glad to receive your emails and receive your inquiry.
Yes.
Yeah, great, and good business.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Shirley, and thank you.